हेलो एवरीवन, अस्सलाम वालेकुम, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। सो आज का व्लॉग आप देख सकते हैं कि मैं बाहर बना रही हूँ, एक स्टोर में बना रही हूँ। शुरू स्टोर से किया है। सो इस स्टोर का नाम है डॉलर ट्री। सो यहाँ पे सब चीज़ें सिर्फ डॉलर की मिलती हैं। तो मैं अब आपको काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें दिखाऊंगी इसमें, और सीज़न के हिसाब से हर टाइप की डेकोरेशन भी मिल जाती है आराम से। तो आज मैं आपको कुछ चीज़ें ही दिखा सकूंगी, अभी भी इसमें बहुत सी चीज़ें ऐसी हैं जो मैंने आपको नहीं दिखाई हैं। तो सबसे पहले, अब अक्टूबर के एंड में हैलोवीन आने वाली है, तो ये सब चीज़ें हैलोवीन की डेकोरेशन है, हैलोवीन की कैंडीज और ऑल दी डेकोरेशन। बट मैं यहाँ पे कुछ बीच की बकेट्स जो होती हैं और शवल वगैरह वो चीज़ें देखने आई थी। तो मैंने सोचा कि व्लॉग बना लो कि आप लोगों के साथ भी शेयर किया जाए जो चीज़ें हम ले रहे हैं। तो मैंने ली तो कुछ चीज़ें थी, फिर उसमें सेलेक्ट करके हटा दिया। तो यहाँ पे क्योंकि शांति और जैनब अभी छोटे हैं तो इतना उनको समझ नहीं आता, तो मैंने सोचा कि फर्स्ट टाइम बीच जाने के लिए उन दोनों के लिए कुछ छोटी मोटी चीज़ें ली जाए। तो यहाँ पे मैंने एक शवल लिया है, बट आई डोंट रियली लाइक इट, सो आई पुट इट बैक। सो राइट नाउ आई एम जस्ट लुकिंग एट दी सम ऑफ द ट्यूब्स and floaties. So I think I got one of these, and whatever I got it, I'll show you at the end. So यहाँ पे मोस्टली एवरीथिंग, बहुत सारी ऐसी चीज़ें होती हैं जो आपको यूज़फुल मिल जाती हैं DIYs के लिए, क्राफ्ट के लिए, डेकोरेशन के लिए। बहुत सी ऐसी चीज़ें होती हैं जो आपको आसानी से मिल जाती हैं। स्टोरेज कंटेनर और बॉक्स वगैरह जैसे यहाँ पे हैं अभी बहुत सी चीज़ें, और छोटे छोटे खिलौने या बकेट्स, बास्केट्स, बहुत सारी ऐसी चीज़ें होती हैं जो यहाँ पे आसानी से मिल जाती हैं। और ये मैं ले रही हूँ 2 बकेट्स फॉर बीच। तो अब मैं अपने वुड क्राफ्टिंग एरिया में चलूँगी। तो यहाँ पे बहुत सारी चीज़ें थी। अब इसमें से आप कुछ भी, जैसे ये यूनिकॉर्न का साइन है, या कोई भी एक चीज़ उठा के उस पर अपनी मर्ज़ी से अपने डिज़ाइन, अपना क्राफ्ट कर सकते हैं इस पर। आजकल ये वुडिंग बहुत सारी चीज़ें वुड की डॉलर ट्री में आई हुई हैं। सो मैंने भी कुछ चीज़ें ली हैं जिसका DIYs मैं आपको आगे ज़रूर दिखाऊंगी जो वीडियोस आने वाली हैं। तो उसके लिए आप प्लीज़ मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें और लाइक करें, शेयर करें वीडियोस को अपने फ्रेंड एंड फैमिलीज़ में। सो यहाँ पे मैं देख रही हूँ कैनवस, दे हैव कैनवस ऑल्सो, एंड दे हैव सो मैनी पेंट्स at very good quality, wood sticks and stickers, hot glue gun, not the gun but hot glue, double-sided tape, so many things. And I'll show you at the end what I got. And this is the medicine and all the cotton buds, tissue, napkins, so many stuff. And this is all the medicines, pain relief, pain killer, bandage, so many things they have. और कभी कभी बहुत अच्छी चीज़ें भी मिल जाती हैं, कभी ब्रांडेड चीज़ें भी मिल जाती हैं। सो यहाँ पे ये है बॉडी स्टफ, मोस्टली द डिओड्रेंट एंड बॉडी पाउडर, so many things. So I was just showing you guys, and this is all the marks. I didn't really get the marks, but this one is really good. I've used it before. In $1 you're getting 2 packs, so it was really good deal. And I don't know, this one is a face marks also, but it's a good amount. Like this tube you can use it almost 3 times at least. So अभी ये पहले होते नहीं थे, but this is very nice कभी कोई डिफरेंट चीज़ें भी आती हैं, तो ये अभी इस वक्त बहुत आए हुए हैं इनके पास मार्क्स. सो and I forgot what kind of serum was that, and the camera was really blurred right now. And they have makeup, they the brushes, eyelashes, so many things. I'll show you little bit in the video. So this is all this is a makeup brush stand, not the brush but stand, and this is all the makeup. So $1 you're getting a liner, and full size liner, not even a small size. This blush on, contour, so many things. You get it in a good deal, like good amount. And beauty blender, eyelashes, different type, different color. और अभी Halloween की वजह से I'll show you one more lashes. They have different color lashes, like this one, and silver, I think, in a red also. So for one time use you can get this, and they are not spending so much money. They have nails, and the other side there's have a toothbrush, so many things. In $1 you're getting a container with 6 brushes, I believe, and toothpaste. So this is a very good deal, I think. And I love to shop in a Dollar Tree. I can spend whole day in Dollar Tree. And this is nail paints, and they have marks also. Look, $1, 2 marks. It's a very good deal, very good deal. And you can get the balloons, you can get the sunglasses, you can imagine a thing and you can get it in here. So right here it's all the hair accessories, like the clips, hairbrush, hair pin, small bands, small clips, catcher, every single thing. And the other side is the body care stuff, so body wash, body lotion, body cream, and all those stuff. So this is I'm showing you travel size kit stuff, and this one is wire holder. So this is all the traveling stuff, small Pantene shampoo, and so many things. Look at that, Old Spice body deodorant, so many things, toothbrush, lotion. You can find every single thing here. For $1 a traveling kit you can create amazing. And this is a little bit more makeup here, some hair accessories, some clips. This kind of clip very good for Shanze hair. And spray bottles, I got this one. It's not all the time a perfect brand, but you can like बुरा नहीं लगता अगर एक कोई चीज़ ख़राब भी हो जाती है तो. So this is the safe what you gonna call, जो corners पे लगा देते हैं बच्चों को safe रखने के लिए, मतलब corner stuff जो होता है heads पे ना लगे. And I got the cabinet lock thing from here. So they have the wipes, they have the garbage bag. This one I got it for my kitchen cabinet. And they have some bibs, some socks, pacifier, so many things. Some they have the noodles, they have the chips, they have so many things, like every single thing in your daily use you can say, or your household you can say they have it. So I did get the night light also, and this one was really good, but I didn't really get this one. I got the other one. And I think I show you. So yeah, I got the other dinosaur one. So they have even the cleaning supplies. They have the rugs, they have table cover, hangers, so many things, even the tool supplies. You can see tool and painting brush, whatever you imagine you can get in $1. So I think it's a very good deal. You can see down there it's a duct tape, and I think this is the command strips what I got. This is all the decorations, like the stickers, and they have some Dollar Tree have the refrigerator also. Okay, so this bag is very good, like for us, like as a Desi people. You have embroidery dresses, sharare, saris, and all those. You can save in there very nicely, very good. I can say I use it. I still using it, so it was really good. And some Dollar Tree have the fridge and some don't. So this is this one have it. So they have the food, eggs, and everything in here. So this is also $1. Can you imagine? Like M&M ice cream is $1. So sometimes it's very, very good. So as I say, I can spend all day here. And some cleaning supplies also. You can see the pine sol and everything. So this is the food area: ketchup, mustard, range, some spices, and
So
all
this
that
is
stuff.
I came long time ago, but I was hungry, so I was making myself a sandwich. So I just want to show you quickly what we got, and what is the video is gonna come up soon. So first, because we are going beach tomorrow, so I got 2 buckets, one for Zainab and one for Shanze. So it came with a shovel. So that's 2 of the things. And I got this fish, like a floaty, and this one, and just to pack the bag. So I got 1 tissue roll, I got this chip, and the other stuff pretty much is for the next coming videos, the DIYs I'm gonna create. So this is the dinosaur, and it has the light. So I just want to paint and see how it's gonna come up. And there's just some of the crafting stuff what I got, the hot glue, the paintbrush stuff, and some paint, some sticking tape, some command strip, and this is a night light, and this is a wooden tray. I'm gonna create something out of this, and I'm gonna show you. And this is the chalk paint, and this one is the brown paint, and this is the locks for the gate. I just needed one, so I got it. Or you can put it on the fridge also if you have a double door fridge. And I got 2 of them. So that's all for that, and some of the double-sided tape. And I got this spray bottle, and the glitter glue. What else is there? There's the other type of tape. It's 2 type of tape. I got it, 2 different pattern. So I think that's it for this video, and stay tuned for DIYs, the coming up DIYs, and please subscribe to my channel, like it, share it with your friend and family, and thank you so much for watching.